A late November night in Salem County, New Jersey, when a family's foundation is literally rocked by, get this, the son of a sheriff.
County 548, I'm out with the vehicle.
Hey, you okay in there?
He's going about 50 miles. Is he still in there?
Yeah, he's moving.
County 548, dispatch EMS and fire department, this vehicle is smoking.
Here, let me get up under my head.
Sir?
County's into a house.
Firm. Yeah, sir. Hey. Hey, you were in a car accident. You all right? What's up? You were in a car accident. Are you okay? Do you have any pain?
What are you talking about?
No, not yet. Listen, hey, relax. You were in a car accident. I'm off the hill. I work for the Central Police Department. You were in a car accident. Are you okay? Are you feeling it? Are you feeling any pain?
No.
Okay.
What's he talking about?
You were in a car accident, sir.
When?
Right now.
When?
You're looking at 32-year-old Charles Miller IV, the son of a South Jersey sheriff by the same name. Let's see what happens next.
Cut this down. Listen, don't move. Just relax, okay? Don't move too much. Just relax.
14, I'm coming in off East Pittsfield working TV.
Just relax. You were in a car accident. Okay? You were in a car accident, sir.
Where?
Right here. Are you in any pain?
No.
You want me to try to get him out, or he's not really answering any questions? He's confused and out of it.
Traffic control at 49 in Union.
All right, just try to relax, okay? Just stay put right there.
Hey, we go or what?
Listen. Stop.
What, man?
Don't move too much. I don't know if you have any injuries. Okay, all right, listen. Just stop moving.
All
right, we're gonna move it. Just stop moving.
Well, let me grab it.
Walk them off, bud.
Yeah. Listen, take your seatbelt off. Take your seatbelt off. Go.
Let's go.
Did you catch that? Let's rewind.
Go.
Let's go.
Our dazed driver kicks at an officer, causing things to, well, see for yourself.
Come on out. Come out. Step out of the car.
County, just advise fire department, this truck's smoking. It's right up against the building.
Step out of the car.
Get away from the car.
I don't know. Guys, you say the truck on the back door now? Charles Miller IV.
It's only matter of time for you to kill somebody. You mean? How do you kill him? What are you talking about? You got it on the road. I am. Do you know what I'm supposed to do? I'm trying to pull my pants up. What are you doing? I'm trying to pull my pants up. You're fucking joking.
Yeah, next impound.
What are you doing, dude? Shut the
He's going to need to be out here ASAP.
Where's my key in my truck? Hey. How do I put your feet in? How do I put this in?
Put your feet in.
Yo, I can't put my hands in. God, how is he always a pain in the
your phone number.
Back at the house, a woman pokes her head out the window, indicating a sticky situation for residents inside.
Good? Go.
Second.
Someone's Scotty, private 3.
Into the car.
Okay.
Also contact, I believe it's going to be for construction code. We're going to need him to come out here. The integrity of this house has been compromised. Phone number as well.
Paramedics arrive to make sure Charles is okay.
Yeah, EMS is going to check you out, all right?
Our confused culprit is cleared by paramedics before police take him to the station.
Keep pushing me a little bit, whoa. Thank you. Sorry, buddy. Thank you. Seriously, sorry, man.
I hear you. Watch your legs.
Well, I've been
Watch your feet.
You got the post office open? No. I didn't touch it. You got the post office in your finger for it. Alright, sounds good. Good, you saw it. Perfect.
All right.
We'll just get his, you guys have his license and everything?
I haven't grabbed it yet, but I think we know who it is. So.
Yeah, we'll all shit.
Alright.
And then, he gets the arthritis later. I'm sure we'll see you guys at the station. What ended up happening? Did you get a story from him?
No. He fought us immediately, and then we ripped him out, put him in cuffs, and put him in
Was he in the truck when you guys got him?
Yeah, he was like out of there, and I woke him up, and then I asked him if he was hurt or was he any pain, and he really couldn't say anything. He was just mad at me for waking him up, and then started freaking out, so I couldn't get if he was hurt or not out of him.
Just alcohol, or you think drugs? Maybe?
I don't know.
What's going on with him?
He's good, like, he doesn't say he has any pain or anything. They cleared him, so.
Looks like Charles is okay. This Salem County street, however, not so much.
Could you tell where he hit? Or how it happened?
He went off, hit the freaking pole first, spawn, and hit the house. But hit the house, he had to be going so fast. He hit the house and moved the foundation. See where the siding is and moved the foundation?
Any idea how much rain? How much more rain's coming?
Bring back the station first. Run it like a normal DWI.
Hey guys, just in the front now.
If he'll cooperate and he'll somebody out at the station, that's fine. If not, don't even mess with it. I'll drive now. He's already come back. Yeah. I'm not getting out. So, but you gotta do the standard, the refusal form. Right. And then, we can see if we can do that, but, you know, I'm going to do those now. But it might just be easier just to, take them out and start the process on the blood now. Grab your car. So, but you gotta go there first. Yeah. We're first gonna go back.
Okay.
And then he's gonna seize us from there, and you'll run out the hospital while I start going around.
Alright.
Still out there at all? No. Okay.
He hasn't been searched either. We haven't searched him, so.
Are you going back with him?
Yeah, he just told me to.
Okay.
Investigators claim Charles hit a utility pole at upwards of 60 miles per hour. The pole then broke in half before his truck slammed into the house. Let's now head to the police station with our suspect.
This one. Hey, can you get on here? It's a job.
Contact emergency management. Advise them we have a crash here with a vehicle into a house. There's going to be several residents displaced.
Hear that? Police said 3 families were displaced because of the crash. Let's continue.
There'll be a 4.
Don't pull him up. Okay, he's gonna get his weapon. No, I'm gonna get my weapon.
I'm sorry. You want me to grab it?
Relax, relax.
You know.
This is my, get away, get caught. Oh, there you go. Sorry, dude. Okay,
It's all these, man.
where you come from, Charlie?
What?
Where you coming from?
Elmer.
What?
Elmer.
Elmer?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Charles Miller was booked for DUI and multiple drug possession charges after police said they found 36 bags of heroin, crack cocaine, and Xanax pills in his truck. Charles was processed for his criminal charges and called his mom, not his sheriff father, for a ride home.
Sit down on that bench there. Good.